to another video, and today's video is a SCRAWLRBOX unboxing video. Now, none of my SCRAWLRBOXes have come with plastic wrap around it, so I'm not entirely sure what this is about, but we'll figure it out together. So let's get this wrap off so that I can get this opened. And I think we're just gonna cut it because I don't have the patience for this. Oh, it's an apology from Canada Post saying that it's broken. Whatever. So this is it. Typically we would open from down here, but obviously this side is slightly open. So we're gonna block this because I don't want you guys to see my address. Pull that off and so it doesn't look like things are too damaged. So let's get everything out of here. Ditch the box, because we don't do the box. So let's go look at the design and see what's in here. So the typical things, little things about the artist, some tips, and the gallery. Alright, wow, this is absolutely gorgeous. I love this. Oh, I'm holding it the wrong way. This is absolutely gorgeous. So this is by Claudia Drexhage. So she's an artist living north of Germany as an optician, working in the field of visual merchandising. Composition, shapes, and expression through the colors are an important topic in my daily life. I'm very passionate about watercolor. I love that it's so unpredictable, immediate, vibrant, and honest. How do you think it will be visible in your watercolor paintings? So this tells me that we're probably getting some more watercolors. Cat, that box is too small for you. So let's get to opening this thing, which one of them already fell out because obviously Canada Post has told me that it is broken. So let's look at our little menu. So we got a beautiful sticker as per usual. This is gonna go in my sketchbook again. And this is for the November box. So we did get some paint sets. So it's called the Derwent Graphitint paint set. A water-soluble paint made from a unique blend of graphite and a hint of color. So that's interesting. I've never seen that before. Wow. It's packaged so nicely and it is quite heavy, so I'm excited to see what's in here. So there's 12 pans in total. We got a little candy. And then we also got the Derwent Graphitint pencil, quality graphite pencil, perfect for every artist. The Graphitint pencil is ideal for sketching with the addition of watercolor effects. So this is the Midnight Black. And it is water soluble, so it can be used dry, but you can also add water for richer and more vibrant line work. So that's interesting. So these two plus this is the only thing that we got in this box. Plus this little candy. I don't know where it tells me what the candy is. Oh, we got a discount on here too. So it says Liquid Landscape. And I do love doing landscapes, so that'll be nice. So we got the Langton 300 GSM watercolor pad with this. It is the Dowler Rowney, which is a brand that I do really enjoy. So I'm excited to use this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go jump in and test all the colors, and then we'll have some fun with creating a landscape with this. So yeah, let's go. And it's just exclusive to SCRAWLRBOX, so that's cool. And I have a feeling that this is a mint. So yeah. All right, let's get into it. Alright, so let's get to testing these supplies. I know that this video is coming a little late. I've been kind of slacking when it comes to my SCRAWLRBOXes, but just a quick reminder that this is November's box. So yeah, so we got the Derwent Graphitint paint set. Get that open. Oh, and it gives you a little sheet. If I remember correctly, the Graphitint paint set. Hold on, just toss that. graphite paint with color for traumatic tonal work. So we got a little foam, which I love. We have this here, which I believe is probably a little brush where you're supposed to put water in here. I'm assuming not, because it's not going in. Yeah, no. So let's... I'm not a big user of these type of brushes. Okay. So we got some paper towels here. We got the brush with the little bit of water in it. So let's test these out. So we've got Autumn Brown, Russet. So let's start with the Autumn Brown. And it's quite nice. I like this. Now I'm wondering, because they are graphite, this is russet. Steel blue, it does look like a steel color, which is nice. Dark indigo, oof, that is really dark. Like really dark. Aubergine, nice. We got green gray. Oh, yeah, that is definitely green gray. Some of these colors aren't exactly as they are showcasing them on things. So this apparently is juniper. It's not quite that color. This one says it is slate green. They're really more port actually looks like it, so that's pretty nice. And let's go with ocean blue, which is kind of oceany maybe, I guess. And then the last one is graphite gray, which should look like a graphite. So the colors are quite nice. Mind you, they're really light, graphitey. They're not as prominent as these on here, so that'll be something to keep in mind. Let's test out that Derwent Graphitint Midnight Black pencil, which I forget what it does. So this is water soluble. It's quite nice. I can get some pretty dark colors. So with it being water soluble, let's see. So my sketching will definitely kind of, if I can sketch light enough, I could probably make the lines disappear. So, see if I can, yeah, it's basically gone. So these are really nice supplies, so I'm excited to get started on that. So let's get into maybe a sketching phase and see how that goes, and then we'll get on to painting. I believe is a liquid landscape for this time around. So reminder that this is what we received with it. So we're just going to attempt something, I guess. So let's get into it.
Hey everyone, I just wanted to do jump on as a quick voiceover real quick to explain to you guys how I enjoyed these materials. So overall, I was quite happy with these. They reminded me of the other type of liquid pencil that we got, and I guess this one isn't really a liquid pencil, but it acted quite a bit like it. And overall, it was really fun. I had a lot less control over it, and because the colors weren't as bright as what it was showcased, it ended up coming out a little bit darker than expected. But I still quite enjoyed them, and yeah, I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Ciao! you are listening to a pre-recorded outro. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you hit the like and the subscribe button, as well as the bell to be notified, and I'll see you all in the next video. Yumichan, over and out.